Hi, this is Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to use the composed booking function and how to create and book to cost centers. You can see at the top left corner of the screen that we are using the advanced version of Universal Accounting. As you can see in the transaction list, a composed booking has already been entered, debiting one account, a bank account. The credit is posted to two contra accounts. Click on the drop-down arrow to see what the credit entries are. Let's enter a new composed booking. On the left side, you can select which side of the entry, debit or credit, will be broken down into two or more accounts. If you select the credit side, then only one account can be entered on the debit side, and the multiple contra accounts appear on the credit side, and the other way around when the split accounts are on the debit side. We enter a bank account on the debit side and multiple income accounts on the credit side, with the debit equal to the sum of the credits. If the amount is entered as 0 for the last account, the rest up to the total, which is here 10,000, is automatically taken over and booked into the batch. Click on Book Batch to post the final entry. In the transaction list, we see the composed transaction with the amounts properly allocated to the income accounts. Let's go to the account sheets and call the document number we have just posted. The entered amounts are included in the total balances that flow into the balance sheet and the profit and loss statement. Finally, the transactions journal is also up to date. The composed booking is there. Let's have a look at the cost centers. This screen shows you how to get to the chart of accounts. Click on the cost instances to see the list of bookings already made in each cost center. We're going to create two new cost centers connected to the maintenance account. The new cost centers have been added to the cost instances. Very important here, we want the account to be mapped as a cost account in the system. So go to the chart of accounts, right mouse click on the maintenance account to access the account description, and check the cost type box. We can now prepare the entry debiting the expense account. Once we have entered everything, the booking entry costs box opens. On the left, you can see the type of cost that is recorded. On the right, the amount in each cost center. Open the cost instance list and see the entries we've just made in the repair and material cost centers. Finally, in the operational accounting sheet, you will find an analytical overview of your P&L both in tabular and graphic formats, which you can export to an Excel spreadsheet. This is it for the composed booking and cost center functions. Thank you for choosing IT Express.